Hi, this is Nicola from Harmony Dawn Retreat. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make muffins. Banana Date Pecan Muffins. Yum! So easy, 25 minutes and we'll be done. So let's get started.
Hey, let's begin with 2 bowls. One with our dry, one with our wet. First, just combine our oats with our coconut milk, stir together, and they'll just thicken up, absorbing all the coconut milk. Just whisk your egg, and if you don't want to use an egg if you're vegan, just have flax seeds, ground flax seeds, and mix with hot water and set them aside. Add our brown sugar. Now you could use honey if you wanted, or maple syrup, the same amount, half a cup. Stir it all in together. In this case, I'm going to add a little bit of molasses. Now, molasses just adds a really, really great taste. You don't need much, like 2 tablespoons. That's it. Finally, we're going to put our egg or our flax, ground flax, if you were using that. Mix that all together and then set it aside. Oh, forgot the oil. The oil, coconut oil. Now, if you didn't want to use coconut oil, you could use olive oil, you could use sunflower oil and set it aside. Separate bowl, we have our dry ingredients, and we're going to mix in our dates, pecans, also our salt, mace, baking powder, and baking soda. Add in the bananas at the very end so they don't get crushed by all that blending. Cover them with the flour. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients to our dry. Now this is the tricky part that a lot of people get really screwed up. You don't have to beat the hell out of it. You just fold it, which is what I'm doing, which is just rolling the spoon around, grabbing the bottom gently, and then put them in your muffin cups. Now what happens if you overbeat them is that they don't rise. So it's okay to have a little bit of flour left in your mixture that's exposed. You don't have to honestly beat it to death. Now, doesn't that look good? All ready to go into our preheated oven, which I should have told you at the beginning, which is 350 degrees. Oh my God, they're ready already. So cut them open and let's see how they taste. You can add jam, butter, whatever you want. Spread it on. Okay. Yum.
Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed the muffin recipe that we did today. You'll find it as a link at the bottom. And if you'd like to subscribe to my Harmony Dawn YouTube channel, just click and you can ask me any question you like and also request any recipe you would like to make for you would like me to make for my cookbooks, The Tao of Harmony Dawn Cooking and Eco Harmony Dawn Cooking. Thanks, we'll see you next time. Bye.